Welcome back to my channel, y'all, and today we're doing the best classic 1980s chicken littles, y'all. And I'm not crying, you're crying. Oh, this is the classic with that glob of peppery mayo, and this is often imitated, not duplicated. They brought back a version, but I'm giving y'all the classic at a deal, 38 cents, you guys, today. And then we're also going to do some easy wedges on the side, which is going to round out our meal. And y'all, this is retro, this is classic, and it is so good, y'all. And this will be found under my fast food copycat restaurant playlist. Make sure you check it out. Let's go. So I have some russet bacon potatoes that I have soaking in some water. Then we have our classic 11 spices here, and the measurements will be in the description box. So then I also have some pepper and mayo, and some all-purpose flour. And then I have some slider rolls. Now the key to this is you want a soft roll, so a dinner roll will work as well. And then I have some sliced chicken breasts that are in buttermilk. So I'm going to add all of my spices into my flour mixture and mix that up. So this turned out to be a little bit more than what I was going to use for the day. So I'm going to separate this into a bag and then save it for later. And this is perfect if you want to throw out some chicken real quick for another night. But I'm just going to coat my wedges. And while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button. And thank you so much to those who have already joined and are supporting my channel, and a shout out to my fellow creators. Hey y'all. So once those are done, I'm going to do the same thing to my chicken pieces, and then you just want to give it just a few minutes to let it absorb while your oil is heating. And so for the oil, you want to cook this at 350 to 360 and adjust your temperature as you're cooking. So these are very thinly sliced. So this is the equivalent of one breast cut into 3 fillets, and so it's gonna be super thin, so it won't take long. And then I'm just gonna set them out and drain. But look at that beautiful color. And y'all, this recipe, y'all, come on, try it out. I'm telling you, this is the winner. So the mayo, ground pepper, the end. It doesn't get any easier than that, but that is the classic chicken little style. And then I'm just going to add my chicken breast pieces to my buttery slider rolls, and then a good generous glob of mayo. And then look at that, y'all. Don't bite it yet, not yet, but look at that. And so here you go. You have that classic, classic chicken little with the wedges on the side. But there you go. Hold on, there you go. Go on and take that bite. So good. And that buttermilk makes it extra tender. Look at that, y'all. So bomb. So guys, I brought it back for you. Here you go. Try this recipe out. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes posted every single week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in my new video. Bye, y'all.